This is the STK4231 IC. We can get from this IC 100 plus 100 watts. Per channel got 100 watt. This is the STK4231. It's a stereo amplifier circuit board. If you want this circuit and diagram, you can go to the comment box. There you can get the circuit diagram. Here you can get the positive voltage, negative voltage and ground voltage. This is the negative voltage, here is the positive, and that side is the negative voltage. Here is two capacitor for the voltage, negative and positive voltage. And this is the speaker output. This is also another speaker output, left and right. Two speaker output from here. And this is the speaker input. Audio input will be from here. Right speaker input and left speaker input is the right speaker input. And this is the left speaker input. Left speaker input will be here. If you want this circuit diagram, please check the comment box. This is the STK4141. We can get from the circuit 25 plus 25 watt. That means per channel got 25 watt. If you want the circuit diagram, please check the comment link. There you can get this circuit diagram. Now you can see the positive voltage, then ground voltage, middle is the ground voltage, then this is the negative voltage, positive ground and negative voltage. The speaker output, left speaker output from here, left speaker from here, and right speaker from here. Left and right is here. This is the right speaker output from here. This is the right speaker input from here, and left speaker from here. Left speaker input, this is the left speaker input. STK4141. We can use STK4141 to 4191 in this circuit. 4141 to 4191 using this same circuit diagram. 4141, 4142, 4152, 4191, 4192. This type of IC you can use here. If you want the circuit diagram, please check the comment box. This is the STK4191. 4191. We can get from the circuit 50 plus 50 watt. Per channel got 50 watt. We can use our STK4121 to 4191. 4121, 4122, 4152, 4141, 4191, 4192. Every IC we can use this circuit. You can see this is the first negative voltage. The negative voltage is the positive voltage, and last one is the ground voltage. Negative, ground, and that is the positive voltage. Means the ground, positive and negative voltage. This circuit got 50 plus 50 watt. Per channel got 50 watt. The speaker output from here, left speaker and right speaker from here. Both channel got 50 watt. Both channel got 50 watt. The both input student input will be here, left and right. Left and right will be from here. If you want the circuit diagram, please check the comment box. There you can get the circuit diagram. Thank you for watching the video. It's Brother Electronics, Mike Potti, Joshua. Thank you for watching the video.